These are my snow globes. This is the one that I got from Canada that my dad gave me. And this is the one where I got it from SeaWorld.
Cool.
What is a globe?
You get from Toronto.
What's a globe?
And a glass. Yeah, a glass. There's water in it.
What's a snow globe?
A snow globe, it's just like little white things that look like snow.
It snows inside, isn't it? A globe is the ball, the sphere. The
The
globe, like our Earth, is
Did I
the shape of
stop?
a sphere, and that's the globe. So that's that circle at the top. And then when you shake them, they snow inside.
Miss Guy, do I stop?
You can.